Hi guys, welcome to yet another video from this blog. Today in this video, let us unbox and take a first look at the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G powered by Mediatek Dimensity 900 processor. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. Hi guys, welcome to yet another video from this blog. Although we are a bit late, we are finally here with the unboxing video of the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, a mid-range 5G smartphone powered by Mediatek Dimensity system on chip. This smartphone comes in two variants. The base variant offers 6GB RAM and 128GB storage for 23,999 rupees, and there is also high-end variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is available in India for 24,099 rupees. As you can see, this is the retail package of the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, which is similar to other OnePlus Nord smartphones. As you can see, on the side there is the branding and there is a Nord branding on the top, and this phone also has a lot of peculiar features which are available only on OnePlus smartphones. The very first thing in the box is a cardboard packaging which has additional leaflets, booklets, stickers and more. So let us see what and all we get in the retail package of the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. As you can see, there is a soft rubberized silicone case which has a sort of a matte finish, and it should be able to protect this device to an extent. And then we have a SIM ejector pin where the OnePlus Nord 2 has a SIM tray or a micro SD card tray which can be accessed using this pin. Then we have a leaflet which says about the team behind the OnePlus Nord 2. If you are interested in reading this, you can pause this video and read the same. And then we have a few more leaflets such as a membership card for the Red Cable Club and also a physical plastic card for the Red Cable Club membership. You can find more information on the Red Cable Club membership on the OnePlus website and on the smartphone itself. Then we have a few more documents and a OnePlus Nord sticker which you can use to stick onto laptops, your vehicles and other devices. And then we have a safety information guide. In this we also have information like the SAR values of this OnePlus Nord CE smartphone. As you can see, it has the following SAR values for the head and body, and these SAR values are specific to the Indian market. Again, you can also get more information on this device using the warranty information toolkit. So this is a quick start guide. Again, it has information on how to use this OnePlus Nord CE2 smartphone and how to set it up. The very next thing in the box is the smartphone itself, which comes in this plastic sleeve, and there is also an indentation for the fingerprint sensor which says that this device has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Then we have a 65-watt fast charging adapter in the box along with the fast charging red colored data cable which is available on other OnePlus smartphones as well. Again, if you want to get the full 65-watt fast charging technology on the smartphone, you have to use the charger and the cable which is included with the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. Now let us look at the phone itself. As you can see, on the back we have some more information on the phone. Again, it says that as this has an in-display fingerprint sensor, you should either use the phone without a screen protector, and if you are using a screen protector, it is always recommended to use the OnePlus branded screen protector, as the third-party screen protector could affect the readability of the fingerprint sensor. Now, if you open the phone, as you can see, this is the all new OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, which has a very interesting looking back panel, which is very different when compared to the other OnePlus Nord smartphone with a triple camera setup. Do note that although the back panel looks like it's made using glass, it's actually made using plastic, and it has a glossy finish and it is a fingerprint magnet. On the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, the primary microphone, USB Type-C port and the main speaker grill. On the right side we have the power button and the SIM tray, and on the left side we have the volume button, and on the top we have a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. As I told you before, the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G has a special SIM tray where while most of the OnePlus smartphones only have two nano SIM card slots, the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G has support for both two nano SIM card slots and a micro SD card slot. Yes, you can expand the storage on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G using a micro SD card, which is not a common feature available on most of the OnePlus smartphones. This is how the boot animation on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G looks, which is similar to other OnePlus smartphones, as this phone also comes with Android 11 OS with custom Oxygen OS 11 skin on top. The overall setup process on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G is similar to other OnePlus smartphones, or I can say most of the Android smartphones that are running on Android 11 operating system. You can either set up the device while connecting it to the Wi-Fi network and inserting the SIM, or you can also complete the setup feature by just using it in the offline mode. You also need to accept a few services and requests from Google, and you can either join the co-creation lab from OnePlus or you can actually disagree. And there is also an option to join the Red Cable Club, which is exclusively available for the OnePlus smartphone owner. Then the phone asks you to set up a new PIN code, and then you can also register your fingerprint sensor. As this is an optical fingerprint sensor, you need to press your finger into the screen a few times for the complete registration of your fingerprint. Once the phone registers your finger, you can easily unlock the smartphone in just a second. Once you are done with registering your finger, you can also enroll your face for faster smartphone unlocking. However, that might not be as secure as the Face ID on the Apple iPhone, so I won't be using this at this moment. And you can also choose between various fonts, and you can also choose between various gestures available on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. And it also demonstrates how you can use this gesture on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G to control various aspects like how to go back, how to access a multitasking tray, and how to go to home button. Once you are done with this, you will be greeted with a home screen which looks pretty stock, and it is also looks similar to the ColorOS 13. And as you can see, if you go to settings, you can clearly see that the device comes with 128 GB of internal storage, out of it 20 GB is already used by the system. If you go to About Phone, as you can see, the smartphone is currently running on Android 11 OS, but the company has confirmed that the device will get Android 12 and Android 13 updates. The overall user experience when compared to Oppo or Realme smartphone is pretty different. Although it runs a customized version of ColorOS, this does not come with any bloatware. This is the camera UI available on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, and this smartphone comes with a 64 megapixel primary camera and an ultra wide angle lens and a macro lens with 2 megapixel resolution. As you can see, there are almost no bloatware on the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, which is an interesting thing. However, there are a few apps like OnePlus Store, Netflix, which you can easily uninstall to get more internal storage.
For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to take the notification anytime I upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.